Mistake there. That's that man Williamson. That's a big mistake. He's so freaky with himself. He was on a roll.
Change of pilot, first ball from Khan and Williamson premeditating. Oh, just starting to find his groove was Kane Williamson.
There he goes. He smashes it out of the park. Wow. Look out for this man if he gets going like this.
I tell you what, he's one of the very, very few batsmen who can play that shot over extra cover for a six.
It'll take Subscnibe straight to him, gone. Trace the bullet straight to the man. He had absolutely no time to think, but had to take it.
Shakib gone. Let's take a look at this catch. Low.
Oh no! Mistake.